In this problem, we're given two linear equations written in slope-intercept form and are asked to determine if they are parallel or perpendicular after graphing them. So let's go ahead and start with this first one. We have y is equal to x plus 3. The slope will be 1 over 1, and the y-intercept will be a positive 3. So I'm going to first start by graphing my y-intercept at positive 3, and then I'm going to run 1, because that is my slope. So rise over run. Okay. Once you have a few points, you can go ahead and connect all of your plotted points. And now we're going to try the next one. The next one has a slope of negative 1 over 1 and a y-intercept of positive 1. So on my y-intercept, my y-axis, I'm going to plot my point at positive 1. But now instead of going up 1 to the right 1, I'm actually going to be falling or going down. So down 1 over 1. Okay, and I'm also going to plot a few points to the left of the y-intercept. And these lines are intersecting. And these lines are also showing that they are perpendicular because they are showing a right angle where they intersect. So you would say that these are perpendicular because of how we graphed it. You can also say they're perpendicular because they have opposite reciprocal slopes. Meaning the first slope was 1 over 1, the second slope was negative 1 over 1. All a reciprocal means is they have flipped the numerator and the denominator, and opposite means one is positive and the other is the negative version.